We have arrived from Russia to negotiate trade with Japan.
State your presence.
We wish to trade.
And what would we be trading?
We want food and supplies. We can also settle territory and fishing ground disputes.
Continue.
We are close by and transport time would be less than other countries. And Russia is a big country with lots of resources.
Well, these ideas are good, and I am very interested in these trade opportunities. You can trade in the following ports: Yokohama, Kobe, Nagasaki, Osaka, and Niigata.
Don't you Americans wish you better talk like me? Our special guest here, CEO of the company, Rush.
When
Da 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 da. Will you marry me?
No.
Barbie girl.
Hey,